Sometimes studies take a long time to finish. Determining water quality in the Gwynns Falls just wrapped up after 20 years. Alex Dimitric reports on the results.
The heavy rains pouring during the last 24 hours are now pouring into waterways like the Gwynns Falls, which runs through Baltimore County and city.
In the Baltimore region, we have a little over 45% impervious surface, and that's things like roads, parking lots, things that keep the rain from slowly draining into the soil.
For 20 years, Blue Water Baltimore and other scientists have been studying the Gwynns Falls.
Seeing how water quality has changed over time lets us know what's likely to happen in the future.
The major change is wetter weather over the past 2 decades, and that has increased the number of sewage spills. Heavy runoff overwhelming century-old infrastructure, sending raw sewage downstream into the harbor and bay. But there's also good news.
Stormwater projects appear to be working in the Gwynns Falls watershed.
Rain gardens and open spaces are absorbing harmful nutrients like nitrogen from runoff before making it to the waterway. But in winter, when that rain turns to snow, that effectiveness drops off.
And that's because the plant beds that soak up excess rainfall are actually dormant or dying in the winter.
The 2-decade study may be over, but Blue Water Baltimore believes improvements, especially to sewer and stormwater systems, should be tackled now, because the wetter it gets, the more expensive it gets. Alex Dimitric, WJZ.
The Gwynns Falls was not part of the 20-year study because impacts like sewage spills are very similar to issues impacting the Gwynns Falls.